Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a stitch that has several names. It's known under the uneven rib or a seeded rib, or well, I've also found that it has a name, a third name named after, let's say, a particular Italian dictator from the 40s, whose name will not be mentioned because I don't know how the YouTube algorithm would like that. But those who know the history know who I mean. But it is mostly known under uneven rib or seeded rib, so I will continue with that one. It is a nice texture. It is reversible, meaning that both sides are identical. It's a 2-row repeat, but the 2 rows are not identical. So even though the 2 sides, the wrong side and the right side, are identical, you do have to remember which side is which. Other than that, you have to cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 3. So let's get started. You can find the written instructions for the pattern down in the description box. I will also show you the traditional chart for this pattern on the screen. So I'm now going to get started. I'm currently on the right side. It's easiest to begin on the right side. So all you have to do is you do a repeat of 3 knit stitches. 1, 2, 3, and you purl the 4th, and that is it that you have to repeat. So 1, 2, 3, and purl on the 4th. 1, 2, 3, purl on the 4th. 1, 2, 3, purl on the 4th, almost there. 1, 2, 3, you purl on the 4th, and then you have 3 stitches remaining. You just knit them knitwise. 1, 2, 3. Not that hard. So the wrong side, or the second row. As I said, this pattern is a repeat of 4 stitches plus 3. We ended row 1 with doing those 3 additional stitches, and in the traditional way, when you see it written or when you see the chart, it would say, let's do on the second row, let's start with those 3 again and then repeat 4. You could do that. I just don't find the repeat easy to remember. So I'll just show you what it normally is. Normally it is just those 3 stitches in the beginning. You knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and then the repeat is knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, like so. Knit 2, knitwise, purl 1, knit 1. But you see, I don't really find that very easy to remember, especially when I'm binge watching Outlander or something. So what I do to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to undo what I have already done, is in the repeat of 4 plus 3, those 3 additional stitches, I'm going to split them up. I'm going to do 2 stitches of those here in the beginning, and the 3rd stitch I'm going to place here, and then do a repeat of 4 in between. I just find that a lot easier, because then it becomes, you first do your 2 edge stitches as knit 1 knitwise, purl 1, and then all you do is knit 3 and purl on the 4th, basically the same repeat as the previous row. I find it a lot easier to remember, and then just a lot easier to mindlessly knit, you know? So then you just knit 3 knitwise and you purl on the 4th. Knit 3, knitwise, and purl on the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Find it a lot easier to remember and to avoid potentially making a mistake. And then the 4th is a purl, and then you end with 1 stitch at the end. You just knit that one. And that's it. Those are the 2 rows you repeat. The 2nd row you can do however you want, of course. That is it. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you like this tutorial, you can always give me a like or share this video with someone else. You can always follow me on Instagram, or you can subscribe to this channel. I regularly give you YouTube tutorials on knitting patterns or stitches. And if you made it this far, why don't you comment down below what show or movie you like to watch while knitting. Okay, bye!